Hey everyone, Missybeelondon here. It's that time of the month. It's my unboxing video for the Tress box full of hair products in this box. They are on all social media platforms, as you can see in the logos. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It's a takeover September stylers. And if this is a card that was inside the box, and as you'll see the logo at the top, it's the Mielle hair care line. Yes, 5 products in this box for £20. Can you imagine? And you know, individually these products will be like maybe 5, 6, 7 plus pounds in the shop. So all these 5 for £20. Yes, £20. This is a leaflet inside the box showing you the products inside this box as well. And they deliver worldwide, not just UK. They are a UK company, Tress, but they deliver worldwide. And let's open the box right now. Yes, the box was heavy, yeah. These products are good. I missed out on getting them when I was at a hair event, yeah, but I'm glad I got them in this box. So thank you, Tress. The first item is the Detangling Co-Wash for your hair. Co-wash. Some of you guys have used a co-wash before. I think I used to use a conditioner in my hair as a co-wash, but this is a proper co-wash for your hair. So yes, happy about that. The next product is the Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk to moisturize your hair after you've co-washed your hair. Yes. And the next product will be, yes, it will be the organic Brazilian curly cocktail curl mousse. I'm getting used to putting mousse in my hair. You saw me when I used the Clear and Nourish mousse, and I will eventually be using this mousse in my hair to see if it make my curls pop or not. And of course there will be a video to show that as well, so look out for the video. And the next product will be, oh yeah, that is a pump kind of mousse. The next product will be the organic honey and ginger styling gel. Yes, it's in a bottle with a pump at the top, pump nozzle at the top. As you can see there, it's a bit different for me, but I see how it goes and I see how it works in my hair as well. Styling gel it is. And the next one is the mint and almond oil. Yes, oil in your hair, because your hair needs oil, needs nourishment from oil. So yes, that is the 5th product. Yes, like I said, I keep on saying all these 5 products cost £20. Tress deliver worldwide, so no matter where you are, they will deliver to you. And I will say, look at all these products at the end in my little clip. And thank you for watching. I've got a discount code as well, information in the description box, and I'll put it at the end of this video. It is Missybeelondon 10, so if you want to use that to get extra discount as well, this is a good box, I must admit. Mielle, I can't believe it. Thank you, Tress. Thank you for watching, people, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.